Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of our channel. In the previous video, we discussed about the prokaryotic cell. In this video, we will discuss about the eukaryotic cell. Greek term eu means true and karyon means nucleus. A eukaryotic cell is the one in which the genetic material is organized in a double membrane bound nucleus while the cytoplasm contains a number of membrane covered organelles. Cells are eukaryotic in Protista, fungi, plantae, and Animalia kingdoms. In plants, fungi and some protists, the cells have a particular shape due to presence of a wall. Wall-less cells occur in animals and some protists. They often have an irregular shape. A cell coat is often present on their outside. We can characterize an eukaryotic cell by presence of true nucleus, membrane-bound organelles, presence of nuclear membrane and nucleolus. DNA is double-stranded and form chromosome with the association of histone protein. 80S ribosomes are present which have two subunits. One is 60S and the other is 40S. Presence of cellulose in the cell wall of plant, membrane-bound organelles are present. Different parts of an eukaryotic cell. This is a plant cell and this is an animal cell. The eukaryotic cells are made up of mitochondria, centriole, endoplasmic reticulum, microtubules, Golgi complex, lysosomes, plastid, cell wall, cell membrane, etc. The plant cell consists of cell wall and plastid, which is absent in animal cell, and the animal cell possesses centrosome, which is not found in the plant cell. Cell wall. It is the outer rigid protective covering of plant cells, fungal cells, and some prokaryotes, which represents a specialized form of extracellular matrix closely associated with external cell surface. Cell wall is 0.1 nanometer to several micrometers in thickness. It consists of two parts, gel-like matrix and fine fibrils called microfibrils. Matrix consists of hemicellulose, pectin, glycoprotein, lipid, and water. Microfibrils, pectin substances, and proteins of the cell wall form three independent networks. This is a picture of cell wall. Here is the hemicellulose, pectin, and these fibrils are called cellulose microfibrils. Plasma membrane. It is the outer cell membrane which forms the external boundary of many protists, some monerans, and animal cells. A cell wall lies external to plasmalemma in plant cells. These membranes are quasi-fluid film-like partitions of about 75 angstrom thickness. They occur around the protoplast and eukaryotic cell organelles as well as inside some organelles. The term cell membrane was introduced by Nageli and Kramer for outer membrane covering of the protoplast. It was replaced by the term plasma lemma or plasma membrane by Plowey. Tonoplast is a special term for single membrane found around a vacuole. Cytoplasm. It is the bulk of protoplasm excluding nucleus and vacuoles. Cytoplasm is differentiated into cytoplasmic matrix, cell organelles, and cell inclusions. Cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol is jelly-like semifluid that exists in both sol and gel states. Cytoplasmic matrix is often differentiated into outer gel part called ectoplasm and inner sol part called endoplasm. Nucleus. Nucleus is a double membrane covered protoplasmic body that contains hereditary information. With the help of grafting experiments on Acetabularia, Hammerling proved that nucleus is a storehouse of hereditary information. A cell usually contains a single nucleus. However, binucleate, trinucleate, and multinucleate forms also occur. A typical nucleus is 5 to 25 micrometer in diameter. It is the largest amongst cell components. It is called master organelle as it controls all cell activities. Chemically, it contains DNA, basic proteins, non-basic proteins, RNA, lipids, minerals. Nuclear has 5 parts: nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, nuclear matrix, chromatin, and nucleolus. Vacuoles. They are non-cytoplasmic sacs which are separated from cytoplasm by a membrane. Vacuoles are of 4 types. Sap vacuoles. They enclose sap or water with dissolved inorganic and organic substances. Contractile vacuoles. They occur in some simple freshwater forms. Food vacuoles. A food vacuole is a complex of lysosome and phagosome. Gas or air vacuoles. Gas or air vacuoles occur in some prokaryotes. In the cytosol of cytoplasm, there are various types of organelles. They are Golgi body, ribosomes, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, centrosome, plastid, cytoplasmic inclusion, or ergastic substances. We will discuss about these organelles in detail in the next video. In the previous video, we saw that apart from eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, scientist Dodge found a new type of cell called mesokaryotic cell. So, what is mesokaryotic cell? Those types of cell that are intermediate between prokaryotic and eukaryotic type are called mesokaryotic cells. The cells of certain algae like Gymnodium, Peridinium, etc. and protozoan like Noctilia are the example of such cell. These cells possess a membrane-bound organized nucleus with chromosome which contains acidic non-histone protein. In these type of cells, the meiotic spindle is not formed and mitosis does not happen. In mesokaryotes, nuclear envelope and nucleus are present even during cell division. Chromosome remains condensed throughout the cell cycle. Example of mesokaryotic cell is dinoflagellates. In the previous video, we discussed about the prokaryotic cell. In this video, we discussed about the eukaryotic cell and mesokaryotic cell. In the next video, we will discuss about the cell organelles in details. If you have any question regarding this topic, please mention it in the comment box. If you like the video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.